We have some big news coming in. Enforcement Directorate is all set to book KTR in Formula E case. Big update with KTR likely to be booked under the PMLA. ED to book KTR under charges of PMLA. He may be booked for financial irregularities. KTR has been accused of violating RBI norms. An FIR says payment was made without approval. FIR says 8 crore RBI fine has been slapped on the BRS government. Now, this is a massive development there, showing the BRS and KTR on a back foot. In fact, here we hear ED is all set to file a case against KTR. Let me take you through exactly what he said. Listen in.
ఇది ఇంకా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇందాక నేను చెప్పాను మీకు బీసీసీఐ, ఐసీసీ, అట్లాగే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎఫ్ఎంఎస్సిఐ, ఎఫ్ఐఏ అని ఉంటాయి. వీళ్ళకి డబ్బులు కట్టడంతో పాటు ఐసీసీకి, బీసీసీఐకి కూడా ఏదైనా ఈవెంట్ అప్పుడు ఎట్లయితే ఇప్పుడు ఐపీఎల్ వాళ్ళు కూడా బీసీసీఐకి డబ్బులు కట్టాలి. అట్లాగే ఫార్ములా ఈ రేస్ ఇక్కడ అవుతున్నప్పుడు మనం కూడా వీళ్ళు కూడా వాళ్ళకి డబ్బులు కట్టాలి. ఎఫ్ఎంఎస్సిఐకి, ఎఫ్ఐఏకి డబ్బులు కట్టాలి. కొంత లైసెన్స్ అగ్రిమెంట్ అని ఉంటుంది. దానికి ఒక 74 లక్షల రూపాయలు కట్టారు. కట్టిన తర్వాత విచిత్రం ఏంటంటే ఎప్పుడైతే రేస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయిందో, ఇది మీరు చూడాలి, ఇది ఎప్పుడైతే రేస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయిందో, అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎఫ్ఐఏ వాళ్ళు అంటే ఫెడరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఆటోమొబైల్ వాళ్ళు ఆ డబ్బులు
Well, we have Apurva joining us for more on that. Apurva, we understand that KTR has also sought to quash all the FIRs against him, and he says at best this is only irregularity and not illegality. Of course, he has his version of the story there, but it's shocking to hear that the ED is now mulling over a case against KTR under PMLA.
Well, that's right, Nabila. In fact, the ED is likely preparing to register an, ECIR case under the PMLA against, KTR. This comes just days after the Anti-Corruption Bureau here has registered an FIR against KTR and 2 other people, naming KTR as A1 in this said case that has been registered by the ACB. What the charges are is that it is alleged that on the directions of then Industries Minister KTR, the Hyderabad, the HMDA had paid rupees 55 crore to the London-based company Formula E. That is in violation of the RBI guidelines. That's what is the violation, the allegation that has now come up. It is said that not only KTR but also, senior IAS officers including Arvind Kumar and others as well have been named in this FIR that has been filed by the Anti-Corruption Bureau here in Telangana. In fact, today KTR's legal team has also, moved for quashing of this. They filed a lunch motion which is now in progress right now, and it looks like also the ED is also mulling on trying this case, especially under the PMLA. So that's also an interesting development in this case. Yesterday, KTR had held a press conference wherein he talked about how there had been various rules and regulations that had been strictly followed by then BRS government there under the guidance of KTR, especially when it came to the Formula E race as well. While what KTR states is that while there had been cancellations, the money that had already been given to Formula E for the event management there, that had already been registered there on their side, it had been clear that the transaction had happened. But that with the race being cancelled there, the money had to be reverted back, which was yet to be accepted back. That's what KTR had said in the press conference there as well. He says that at best there is no sort of any irregularities, there is no sort of any corruption that had taken place, and this is what is the case that had been filed with the ACB there, where they said that it was in violation of the RBI guidelines. But KTR there says that there hasn't been any violations made and that he has proof to say that as well. In fact, the BRS leaders at the assembly over the last 2 days have been calling for discussion of Formula
Apurva, thanks
E
very much.